Hello friends, welcome to Savaji. Today we are going to learn Sabudana Khichdi recipe. Sabudana Khichdi is usually made during fasting days like Navratri or Mahashivaratri or Ekadasi. And Sabudana Khichdi is an easy snack and is a good recipe to be made during fasting days. But it requires a little experience to get the perfect texture in the Sabudana pearls. And when you make the sabudana khichdi, you have to adjust the soaking time as per the type of tapioca pearls. And for some pearls, 2 to 3 hours is fine. For some, you don't even need to soak them in water. Just cover the pearls with water for some time and you are done. And so do soak the sabudana pearls accordingly. And here version showing the overnight soaking method. However, please feel free to adapt the soaking time as per the quality of topic of pearls you have. And this is a Maharashtrian style of making sabudana khichdi and a snack which we have grown up having umpteen times. And the khichdi is loaded with carbohydrates and the proteins coming only from peanuts. And now we'll see how to prepare this. First we will see the ingredients required, and we need 1 cup sabudana or tapioca pearls, and 2 small to medium sized potatoes, that is aloo, half cup roasted peanuts, and 8 to 10 curry leaves, that is kadai patta, optional. And we also need 1 tablespoon grated ginger adrak, and 1 green chili, and 1 tablespoon cumin, and 1/4 cup grated fresh coconut, optional. And half to 1 tablespoon sugar are as required, and half to 1 tablespoon lemon juice are as required. Now we'll see directions to prepare. Soak the sabudana overnight or for 3 to 5 hours. And next day, drain the sabudana very well and keep aside in a bowl. Now you can see they are looking like pearls. Now boil the potatoes, and when warm, peel and chop them to small pieces. Now in a pan, dry roast the peanuts till brown, and when cool, make a coarse powder in a mortar or pestle or in a dry grinder. Now mix the coarsely powdered peanuts, salt and sugar with the drained sabudanas. Now heat oil. Fry the cumin first till they crackle and get brown. Now add the curry leaves and the green chilies. Fry for half a minute, and then add the grated ginger. Stir till the raw smell of the ginger goes away. Now add potatoes and sat for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the sabudana. Keep on stirring the mixture. When the sabudana loses their opaqueness and starts becoming translucent, they are cooked. Don't overcook as they might become lumpy and hard. And lastly, add grated coconut and mix well and close the fire. While serving, garnish sabudana khichdi with coriander leaves and drizzle with some lemon juice, and serve sabudana khichdi hot. And enjoy the sabudana khichdi on any fasting day at any evening, like evening snack. And tips to prepare good sabudana khichdi are: wash the sabudana pearls in a colander and running water until you feel that all starch is rinsed and washed off, and transfer the washed and drained sabudana to casserole and sprinkle with a little water, just enough to ensure that they are damp, and cover the casserole tight and leave them overnight. In the morning, while you prepare for seasoning etc., check on the soaked sabudana, and if required you can sprinkle little more water and leave for 30 minutes more, and have the peanuts roasted and ground to granules as well before, and just before you start cooking, mix the peanut granules and salt with the sabudana and rub the pearls well with the mixture, and leave it for about 5 minutes, and then add it to the seasoning you have prepared. So this is for today's sabudana khichdi, a fasting and a vrat recipe, and prepare this and have a variety of sabudana khichdi, and very tasty and energetic food. So try it and enjoy the sabudana khichdi on your fasting day. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Keep watching my videos and like and subscribe.